Some cancers are linked to habits you do every day. Many health risks don't come from extreme behavior. They come from small habits we repeat every day. First, eating leftover vegetables kept overnight. When food stays at room temperature for more than 2 hours, bacteria multiply rapidly. Some bacterial toxins are heat-resistant, meaning reheating doesn't always make food safe. Refrigeration slows bacteria, but it cannot stop certain chemical changes in food. Second, turning off the kitchen exhaust fan immediately after cooking. High-temperature cooking fumes contain fine particles and volatile compounds. These invisible substances can stay in the air for several minutes. Turning off ventilation too early means breathing them directly into the lungs. Third, reusing frying oil multiple times. Repeated high-temperature heating breaks down fats and causes oxidation. These byproducts increase the burden on the liver and kidneys and can negatively affect long-term health. Reused oil may smoke less, but it actually produces more harmful substances. Fourth, cutting mold off fruit and eating the rest. Mold spreads invisibly inside food. Even if only one spot is visible, toxins may already be deep inside. Washing or trimming does not reliably remove these risks. Fifth, using dishwashing sponges for too long. Warm, wet sponges are ideal environments for bacteria. Studies show old sponges can contain more microbes than household toilets. Dishes may look clean, but contamination can remain. Health isn't protected by luck. It's protected by daily choices. Don't save money at the cost of long-term health. Discard, ventilate, and replace when it's time.